It's funny now that I'm used to the iPhone power button, sorry, camera button thing. I now kind of wish every phone had a camera button, because when I turn this phone, I have to like press the button and then, yeah, this is kind of getting useful, surprisingly. I didn't like it at first because the positioning is weird, but once you get used to it, it's interesting, because now I'm used. Oh, camera, just press a button and it opens, which is interesting. Yeah, Sony used to do that. Sony used to have camera buttons. They don't work well, but they were there, and the camera takes a while to open. But the iPhone one is interesting, because I've just realized on this Pixel that I wanted to record a video, but I had to record the video, then turn the thing, then it's a whole thing. But I wanted to, since I got the new Pixel, I wanted to test its video quality. This is in 0.5 zoom. I turned on some speech enhancements. I turned on 10-bit HDR. I turned on, it's in 30 frame 1080. So what am I going to do? And there's also, it's next to my laptop so that the fan noise can be heard. So this is some random hard disk drive, BENFEI something, that I have so many hard drives. When I switch laptops, I usually just remove the hard drive. This SATA, I think is the word. I have some of these, so, but I had very few good casings. The last one I had, there's another drive in there from like, I think one laptop, two laptops. No, fun one is from like, no, it was just a normal external hard drive. This is for my former laptop that died. I think I have another SSD. But anyway, so I ordered some SATA thing to help me, turn this into an external hard drive. So I thought I would just unbox that as I test this brand new Pixel 9's video camera capturing qualities. Okay, so this is a simple product. You have the thing, some manuals, yeah. Why I like this one is it has this let's see, how do I, yeah, so it's USB-C and USB-B. There was no USB-B, was there? We just went from USB-A to USB-C. Okay. Yeah, it has both, which I really liked. So you can, plug C in or plug the normal, depending on the laptops you have. It's quite simple. Just open this. Oh, has some pads. I don't know if these go inside the, okay, in case you need extra padding, like this cushion thing. God, I live in a noisy neighborhood. So get your hard drive and just pop that in. And hold on. Yep. And kalas, as they say in Arabic. Yeah, but I'm going to put some of these extra cushions as well. Where should I put them? And put one on top. T1 for HHD 7mm, 87. I don't know. Maybe in case the others get lost. I don't know why they gave me these. But in the casing, there's these things, these padding things for the, Also, earlier when I recorded the video on this Pixel, I realized it doesn't like focus. It focuses in and out of the frame of the person versus the iPhone. I'm going to post that video. I haven't yet edited it when I was reviewing the full thing. So okay, let's okay. So it still has one here, but I don't know why they didn't put one here. Form sheet. Oh. there's a spot where they there's a spot where they tell you to put the foam sheet, but they're not telling me which one. Okay, I'm guessing this is the 3. This is a 3mm, and this is a 1.5mm. So which one do I put here? Yeah, 3mm looks too much. I won't put a 1.5mm. Come on, nail 0. Okay, there we go. Insert this back. Oops. And other camera millimeters. Yeah, come on. Okay, class. Okay. God, the number of boxes I have in this room. Should stop really buying gadgets. Like, I'll go bankrupt. What's in the package? Oh, so the padding is for 2.5-inch SSDs. Oh, they are all for 2.5-inch SSDs. Okay. So what's the size of this SSD? Okay. I have no idea. Guessing 2.5. Oh, no. One is for 2.5-inch HDDs and one is for SDDs. Oh shit, I put the wrong padding. Yeah, read instructions. They are there for a reason. And I cannot remove this now, can I? No. Yeah, that's the lesson here. Read instructions. Yeah, I was supposed to put the 3mm. Where is it? I was supposed to put this one. I instead put because this is an HDD, not SSD. Oops. Plastic body tool, free, mini size, portable, blah blah blah. Wait. How does this support SSD? Because that would be interesting. I have an SSD I haven't used. Where's my SSD? Dance for me, teachers. Oh shit. Yeah, I have so many drives. I even forgot to have a 500 GB drive. Oh. Actually, I thought those SSDs were in here, but they are not. Meaning, why is this? Is a camera? Yeah, I do not know. I think they are still in the laptop. I don't know, I removed them from the laptop. Yeah, but this claim supports SSDs and I want to see how that works. Yeah, I don't know where my SSD is. This iPhone box. And I dropped my other SSD. I doubt. How would I do that? Nope, not in here. Yeah, can I don't know how to open this. But this is also another drive. God, I have so many drives, which is a good thing. Meaning I can back all my shit and go offline. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so why can't I find my SSD drives? I think they are still in the laptop, but I'm not in the mood of opening the laptop. So I'm just going to take their word for it that this supports SSDs. Not sure how, but let's hope it does. So this is the test for two things: this new Google Pixel video quality filming whatever thing, and also for this unboxing thing. Okay, so let's plug that in. Why is dark? Frame reduced to improve video quality. Okay, why did it reduce my frame? And also the phone is hot when it's recording video. I don't know if that's because it was near a hot laptop, but the phone really is hot. God, this is a very hot phone right now. Anywho, okay, there you go. It's lighting. Yay, the drives are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So yeah, that works. That's the, what's the name of this thing? BENFEI. Let me even take it. Yeah, this is something I missed on phones though. You see in iPhones, once oh, it's actually there, but I need, okay, this is 0.5 zoom, this is 0.1 zoom, you can see it change, this 0.2 zoom, but I can't take a video, so I can't take a picture while I'm recording the video. But I can't change the white balance. Oh, brighter, darker. No, that's the exposure. White balance. Okay. And then I can reset all of them. But I can't take a picture. Anyway, I digress. This is the BENFEI 2.5 inch hard drive thing. It works really well. Let me, yeah, it's working. Blinks when it shows you that it's in work. So yeah, that's that.